Okay. I thought it would be interesting to document my gardening this year. Since some people have abrogated their gardening video duties, I thought it would be fun to pick up the slack in this area. As you can see, I just planted a strip of ground with snap peas. Last week I planted more snap peas. None of them have come up, but you can see the area I planted is fenced off. So I've been growing a garden with my dad and family for years now, since I was a kid, and so I have a lot of experience there. I thought I'd document. Over here is a strawberry plant we planted about 2 years ago. You can take a look at it if you want. I mean, strawberries are cold over crops, so you don't have to plant them every year. They just survive the winter and then start growing again in the spring. I guess a lot of fruits are like that, though not bananas. Well, anyway, we planted this area about a week ago. Well, I did most of the work this time around. And I just planted this area. So in about 10 days, some snap peas should be sprouting up. I mean, I don't really do anything fancy gardening, just peas, tomatoes, cucumbers, maybe some peppers. We also plant eggplants, so I don't really like them. I mean, one year we planted watermelon, but that was years ago and it didn't really do too well. So, I just did the basics. I turned over the earth, put in some topsoil, then splattered the peas down. You can see the netting's already set up for them. I mean, once you set up a year, it just stays up, so you don't have to reset up netting every year if it's, like, right against the fence. And yeah, I'll probably make another one of these in a few weeks when the snap peas actually sprout up and there's something to look at other than strawberries. There is another area we planted, but it's just snap peas again, so I'm not going to show you anything you've already seen before. I think that'll be enough for the video. Tune in for more updates.